Today we're going to be showing you how to make the yummy, yummy steak and eggs. It is one of our favorites. Yum. Here we go. Alright, first things first, you are going to defrost the steak. The trick you're going to want to do is to leave them partially frozen because that allows you to cook them, and when they cook, they're still going to maintain being medium rare. But again, you're going to leave them just a tiny bit frozen, but not like completely frozen, or else you're going to just have completely rare. Alright, and how do you know that they're ready? They're just bendy. So I have prepped my pan. I just put pretty much coated the bottom of it. You don't want it too much because then it's going to give you like a nice little crisp on it versus being a little soggy if you don't cook it at a certain high temperature. Alright. So now I prepped the eggs. I'm going to put them directly into the grease right after. I'm going to drain it just a little bit, but just leave a little of the grease from the actual steak because it makes it have a very nice taste. All right, now I'm going to season the meat. And I use Himalaya sea salt, garlic powder, sometimes just like the fresh garlic and mash it up on there, and pepper. Meanwhile, as I'm seasoning, I am letting this warm up, and I have it at a medium heat because we had this the other day. I have the flour in here and it's already seasoned. We seasoned the flour actually, and then I put this in a little thing and I shake it either in a bag or in a bowl so that it coats both sides. So now I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put a piece of the meat in there, shake it like this, flip it, and then shake it. Once you toss the last one in here and you lightly spread it on all the sides, you're gonna go ahead and test the flour. Yep, it has the nice little bubbles, it's ready to go. And now you just place them in there. You're going to let them cook on that side for just a few moments, anywhere between 2 minutes to 3 minutes, but usually about 2.5 minutes is perfect. Timer went off, so now it is time to flip it. Alright, so I'm going to put that back on for another 2 minutes. To keep my hands busy, I have cut up the strawberries so that I can use them as a nice garnish, but also it's always nice to have a veggie or a fruit whenever you're eating any meal. The steak is out and it's perfectly cooked, and now it's time to do this. I took out a lot of the oil. I just left in just basically like a tablespoon or maybe a teaspoon. And then I put those in there. There you go. That is how you cook steak and eggs. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. We'll be back with more. As you know, we cook recipes that appear in our romance books, so there you go. This one is a personal favorite. Oh, it's so good. I'm actually going to cut into it so you guys can see it. So let me taste this. Delicious.